Good morning, children. In today's class, we will learn about the subject chemistry. So, in the last class, what we learned, children? Yes, coal and formation of coal. So, then tell me what is coal? Yes, very good. It is complex mixture of carbon and hydrogen. So, on that day, I will teach you the products of coal, right? Yes. Then tell me one by one. Yes, coal tar, coal gas and coke. So these are three products of coal. So like a coal, petroleum also one of fuel, right? Yes, very good. Petroleum is fuel. So where it is used? It is used to vehicles. Yes, very good. So children, do you know how petroleum was formed? No. So in this class we will discuss about petroleum and formation of petroleum and its usage. First I will teach you petroleum. What is petroleum? Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resources are called petroleum. Petroleum and diesel are obtained from the nature. It is called petroleum. The word petroleum derived from Latin word petra and oleum. Petra means rock. What, children? Petra means rock and oleum means oil. So these are combined. It is called petroleum. Understand, children? What is petroleum? Yes, petrol and diesel are obtained from the natural resources. Yes, very good. So next I will teach you formation of petroleum. How petroleum was formed? Anybody knows? No. Now I will show pictures due to the formation of petroleum. See, children, how it is formed. So this is the petroleum is formed from the remains of dead organism. Understand, children? Petroleum formed from the dead organisms. What, children? Dead organism. So here this is C and these are the dead organism. These are the dead organism. The dead sea creatures got in ocean floor means these are the dead organism with inside the seawater. When it is all died, it is buried into the ocean floor. Understand, children? So next these died organism gradually got covered by sand, clay, etc. These dead organisms got covered by this is sand and clay. This dead organism, it is covered sand and clay. When it is over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature, high pressure, the dead organism converted into petroleum and natural gases. After millions of years, due to the absence of high temperature, high pressure, the dead organism transformed into the petroleum and natural gas. So this way petroleum was formed. Understand children how the petroleum was formed? Here this is petroleum and this is the oil well. Here the petroleum was filtered. Okay. So next we'll move on to the refining of petroleum. What is meaning refining? Yes, the separation of constituents. This called refining. How petroleum was refining? The separation of substituents like kerosene, diesel and paraffin wax. These are the petroleum products. When we refining the petroleum, we get these other products like kerosene, diesel and paraffin wax, etc. So the separation of these constituents like diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, lubricate oil, these processes are called petroleum refinery. The petroleum is a dark oily liquid. You know, right? Have you seen petroleum? Petrol. Yes, it is oily liquid and it has an unpleasant smell. Have smelled petrol, children? Yes. So it has unpleasant smell. So this is the petroleum refinery process. In this process the petroleum was filtered by oil well and it is take from the pump through the pressure into the oil well. So this is the process of oil petroleum refining system. In this system, when petroleum is refining, we get product like diesel, paraffin and yes and diesel and kerosene. Understand children? Yes. Next we will see constituent petroleum and its usage. What are the products comes from the petrol and its usage? So first constituents of petrol is petrol. Petrol, it is used fuel for home or motor. Petrol used vehicles, motors, etc. Next, kerosene. Kerosene, where it is used, children? Yes, it is fuel, as used as fuel at home. Next one, diesel. Diesel fuels for heavy motor vehicles like car, Taurus, like that we used diesel. Next one, lubricating oil. Lubricating oil used for lubrication. Next one, paraffin wax. So it is used in oilments like preparing oilments, hair creams, so etc. These are the uses of paraffin wax. Next, bitumen. Bitumen has used as paints and road surfacing. It is used also road surfacing. These are the usage of petroleum. Okay children, understand? Yes. So in this class we learn about petroleum and formation of petroleum and its usage. So now tell me, what is petroleum? Yes, petrol and diesel are obtained from the natural resource. It is called petroleum. So children, what is the uses of kerosene? Yes, used as fuel at home. Next, mention the uses of paraffin wax. Yes, it is used preparation of oilments and creams. Yes, very good candles also. So, what are the products come under the petrol? Yes, kerosene, diesel and paraffin wax. These are the products of petroleum. What is refining of petroleum? Yes, the separation of constituents from the petrol is called refinery of petroleum. Yes, very good children. So, in today's class, all are understand? Okay, take your notes and write down the questions. Explain the process of petroleum. First question, explain the process of petroleum, formation of petroleum, and what are the uses of petroleum products. So these two questions, do your homework in home. Okay, thank you children.